Imagine a place where Cold War secrets meet the sparks of a new space age. That's MachLab, a once-hidden bunker near Scotland's rugged coast, now reborn as the UK's hub for rocket innovation. Here I'm witnessing the next big leap in British space engineering, and trust me, it's more exciting than ever. So, what exactly is MachLab? It's a world-class rocket test and training facility carved out of the old RAF Machrihanish airbase. Thanks to nearly £500,000 in fresh funding and the vision of the University of Glasgow, this site is transforming from military relic to scientific powerhouse. It's not about launching into space yet, but it's absolutely about launching the future. The heart of MachLab is its state-of-the-art test stand where engines roar to life, up to a ton of thrust, real-time data, and the ability to test everything from classic solid motors to the latest cryogenic engines. Their first big win? 3D printed engines cooled from within using copper, chromium, zirconium alloys. Yes, that's as advanced as it sounds. And it's not just about rockets, it's about people. Thanks to the R2T2 program, students from across the UK are learning hands-on, building real engines and real careers right here on Scottish soil. Word's out. Teams from South Africa and Australia are already visiting, and with partners like Exotopic and ToffeeX, MachLab is fast becoming an international epicenter for space innovation. Professor Harkness put it perfectly. The UK is returning to vertical launch and going to the stars. From bunker to beacon, MachLab is the future of UK space, and it's happening now. Like, subscribe and follow for more journeys to the edge of science and beyond.